Elephants are wonderfully social and family-oriented animals with great care for their young. Mother elephants employ a variety of protective behaviors to keep their young safe from danger and strangers. The mother will strategically position her large body between the calf and a potential threat, physically blocking the danger. Other female elephants in the herd, all mothers, also participate in this shielding behavior. The entire elephant herd works collaboratively, often forming a defensive circle around the calves to fend off predators like lions, hyenas or unfamiliar humans. All mother elephants exhibit a strong maternal instinct to remain in close proximity to their calves at all times.